Welcome back to the channel. Now today we're gonna be cooking a great alternative to oxtails. Turkey necks are budget friendly, healthy and delicious. Turkey necks are a rich source of protein, vitamins and minerals such as iron and zinc. Are packed with flavors, so they are perfect for stews and soups. A great source of collagen, which is good for your skin, joints, and gut health. Offer a similar flavor profile to oxtails, but is only a fraction of the cost. Garlic is an essential ingredient and fresh is best. Garlic is packed with powerful enzymes that are good for the body. Chopping your garlic is a great way to release the flavor into your food. As a Jamaican, I like when food is flavorful, so I use a lot of garlic and onion to flavor my food. These ingredients not only add flavor, but add nutrients that boost your health. One of the most exciting aspects of turkey neck is that it's very similar in texture and flavor to oxtails, but is way cheaper. Seasoning your meat well will complement the flavor and add nutritional value to the dish. I like to fry the turkey necks before cooking them down because it really intensifies the flavor. After frying the turkey necks, add enough water to cook it till it's tender. Now if you're enjoying the video so far, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. While the turkey neck is cooking, you can prep the rest of your natural seasonings. Now you will rarely find a Jamaican kitchen without Scotch bonnet peppers. This is a must. I like to add a little brown into the pot for color. You can test your meat with a fork to see if it is tender. Once the meat is tender, it's time to season the pot. So I just added some fish and meat sauce, then I'll add some ketchup, and then I'll add the natural seasoning after. Now it's time to add the natural seasoning to the pot. After adding the natural seasons, you will cover the pot and let it simmer until the gravy is rich and flavorful. Add some butter and let it simmer some more. Once the turkey neck is ready, you can serve it with some good old Jamaican rice and peas or any other side dish that you wish. Now leave me a comment if you decide to try this dish. Now here's a clip from my beautiful island Jamaica. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, share and subscribe.